Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We're looking into this 2010 Subaru Legacy today. The aircon's not working. We've gassed it up so we know it's got the right amount of gas in there. Then we've checked a bit further and there's actually no power coming down to the compressor itself. So we're going to dig a bit deeper now and show you what we find. Just before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just click on the red subscribe button below and make sure you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get into the video. It's a nice easy fix today. We knew that we had no power coming to the compressor, so we've gone back to the fuse box and relay box there. This little relay there is the relay for the aircon. As soon as we just tapped that relay, everything kicked in and the compressor was working. Did cut off again, but we've swapped the relay round with the one for the rear demister and it's working every time now, so nice little fix there I thought I'd share with you all. If you check the description below, I've put some links to the part number for one of the relays and where you can get one from. I hope the video helped. If it did, just give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.